Good morning, respected principal, resource persons, and my dear teachers. Today, we the teachers of Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Bikaner are here to present before you the topic or a demo from the phonic workshop, the title being Erase the Sound. In this demo, we have drawn the picture of a snowman in which the teachers will call forth an individual child at a time. And as the child comes to the board, the child will be asked to erase the sound of something which is shown in the picture of the snowman. For example, if the teacher will ask the child to erase the sound of something that begins with the letter B. Something that begins with the letter B in the picture of the snowman. And so the child removes that something which begins with the letter B, and this continues on from one child to the other. Thank you.
Okay, Sarita ma'am. Now erase something that is begin the sound.
Okay, that begins with S, means sound of S. S, star. I'm going to remove star from the
Yes, very good ma'am. Okay ma'am, now erase something that is begin with B.
B, sound of B. B. It begins with button.
Yes, very good ma'am. Okay ma'am, now erase something that is begin with N.
Okay, sound N. That is sound of N.
Yes.
N means nose. I'm going to remove nose.
Yes, excellent ma'am. Okay ma'am, now erase something that is begin with sound H.
H, sound of H. H for hat. H. I'm going to remove hat of the snowman. And in this way, we can ask children to complete the activity till the time everything is erased from the snowman. And in this way, children will enjoy the activity, and in playing manner, they can learn the sounds perfectly. Thank you.